Is your 2010-2015 Lexus RX450h key fob not working from a distance or working intermittently? A dead battery is likely the cause. You'll need a new CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or coin, and optionally, gloves to protect the circuit board. CR2032 batteries typically cost between $1 and $2 USD. Lithium batteries last 2 to 4 years. You'll want to purchase a quality replacement with a long shelf life, up to 10 years. Symptoms of a failing battery include reduced range and intermittent operation. Use a smartphone app with an OBD2 scanner to diagnose fob issues. First, locate the small indentation on the fob's seam near the keyring hole. Insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into the indentation and gently pry open the two halves of the fob. Avoid excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting its orientation with the positive side facing up. Insert the new battery with the positive side up. Snap the two halves of the fob back together until they click. Test the fob by pressing the buttons from various distances to ensure it's working. If it doesn't work, check for corrosion and clean with isopropyl alcohol. If problems persist, consult Lexus service bulletins. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly.